everybody, welcome back to Rooster's Workbench. Check what I got out today. An original box, Charter Arms. Bulldog 44. Got all the Charter Arms paperwork. From Charter Arms. This gun is from about 1980. From Stamford, Connecticut. Look at all the goodies in that box. An advertisement for grips. Detailed parts list from 1980. Warranty card information from 1980. Parts list with prices and a breakdown of the firearm. And a thank you letter from Charter Arms. This thing is pretty doggone clean. Must have spent most of its life in somebody's dresser drawer instead of their pocket. Charter Arms Bulldog 44. Look at the size of that hole. Five-shot. Blued wood handle. The original Charter Arms Bulldog. This is the years that they were their absolute best. Thanks for joining me at Rooster's Workbench. We'll see you another day at another time.